Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a deal in Sandbuzz. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So on the dashboard of Sandbuzz, you have to go for opportunities. So once you select opportunities, you have to tap deals. So you have to select a deal. Once you do that, in a create deal, you have to fill the details as per it asked. Once you do that, you have to select your prospect as per the deal stage. And once you do that, you have to tap create deal. And that's it. You have successfully created a deal in Sandbuzz. Now you can track its performance and campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you.